let's talk sales tax. So sales tax is something that you're going to have to do pretty much no matter what state you're in. The way that you're going to be able to apply for sales tax is through your Secretary of State. So if you go to your Secretary of State's website, just do a search on Google, then you should be able to find a sales tax registration. Sometimes they call it retail license, but you really want to go ahead and apply for that. Sometimes it costs money, most of the time it does not. It does take generally, maybe can take 2 to 4 weeks. But the most important thing to understand is that you cannot use your federal ID number to get wholesale products. You have to have a sales tax license, a retail license, in order to do that. So when you do get your number, then you're able to apply for wholesale. And you're going to need one if you're going to sell in person. So even if you're not buying wholesale, you're really going to need to get a sales tax ID, and you're going to have to report your sales and pay the taxes on them either monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. It just depends on your state. All states are different, and they determine what your schedule is. So they determine whether you're going to file at what time. And it's really important that you remember to do this, because they will fine you if you don't do your sales tax on time. It's generally due the 20th day of the month following. So if it was for January, it would be due February 20th. So you do have a little bit of time. One thing you need to understand about sales tax is if you're selling online where you are selling to multiple states, at some point when you reach thresholds, you're going to have a sales tax ID in every state, and you will have to know what the rates are in each county and city as well. So selling in person, that's pretty easy. You're just going to do your local. If you are selling online, I do suggest you use a marketplace such as Amazon, Etsy, or eBay, where they collect and remit the taxes for you. So just keep in mind, if you decide to sell on your own website, you're going to have to take care of all of that paperwork. So I hope this helped you, and I'll see you in the next tip.